Get your rope. Get your rope. Wow, man. It's definitely fall. You know what that means. It means winter's coming. It means I gotta fix the fucking blizzard.
Look at this. The snow is melting. It's getting warmer. The blizzard's just sitting here since last winter. Ugh, he's got to fix it. Let's go see what he's doing. Hey, what are you up to?
Ooh, are you filming? I'm working on my top secret project for the next video.
Top secret?
Yeah.
The blizzard's sitting in there since last winter. The snow's melting. What are you doing?
Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. I'll get on it as soon as possible, I promise.
How about I make you a deal?
All right, sure. What?
How about no sex until you fix the blizzard?
Well, that seems a bit harsh, but all right, deal on. Stupid idiot. Never even crossed my mind I gotta order parts for the damn thing. Alright, saber juice. ESC. Blizzard. And now we wait. Sweet.
Did you miss me? Did you miss me? I had to go to the RC store. Did you miss me? I'm home.
Hey, babe. How'd you make out?
They had everything you wanted. Now you
Nice.
can build another RC.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, yeah, I forgot to ask you, how'd you make out with the blizzard before?
Oh my God, I forgot to tell you. Hang on, let me show you. This blizzard?
Yeah. The fuck happened? What the fuck?
I drove it for a little bit, it was fine. fixed it. 2 more minutes, it broke again. After the 3rd time, I gave up. And the plow doesn't even work.
What? You saw it. It was working.
No. Junk.
Great. Oh, babe, come on. You saw it was working. I mean, what do you say we go upstairs and maybe I could plow you?
Babe, I told you.
What?
I'm going to my mom's. I'll be back tomorrow.
God, really?
Yep. I'll tell you when I get there. Love you.
Fuck me.
Bye.
Bye. Well, Mr. Blizzard, looks like it's just gonna be you and me this weekend. God, these things are sharp. Wait, this thing on?